Does it gotta be so complicated? Maybe this love thing's overrated. My feet in the sand, my face in my hands. I know it's my fault cause I never make plans. And now you're telling me you love me, but you don't even know me. I'm down to hang, but if you follow me slow.
Now we're road tripping to Harris. We had a really good lunch with the family at 999 Pho. We're full, we're stuffed, excited to see our resort. Oh yeah, we're seeing amazing views. Oh my gosh, wait, can they? I need them to see. Wait, that's a bus.
They're tubing.
Oh, they're snow tubing. We're gonna try and get some good rest and prepare ourselves.
Talk until we're done. I love you to your heart, and I love you to the top of your head. Or maybe we don't say anything and sit in silence instead. Your eyes, the house, 1,000 suns, your mouth that holds 1,000 guns.
Get to the hotel. I'm so sleepy. Gideon came through getting the McDonald's nuggets from the first night. Yummy!
Is it cold outside? It's cold. It's weird though, at the kiosk, the 40-piece nuggets were out of stock. Like sold out. But when Daddy ordered at the front desk, she was like, oh yeah, we have it.
Good morning, everybody. Today we are going to go to the ski shop and see if we can get fitted for our boots for tomorrow. We meant to ski today, but all the ski tickets were sold out and all ski lessons were also sold out. So we're not going to be skiing today. Instead, we're going to just be sightseeing. For lunch, we might go back to 999 Pho. They had such good food. Chex Mix. This is what I'm getting. I got the goods. Mommy's the one that wanted to come to the chip aisle. We've been here for 5 minutes.
I don't have my favorite.
You don't have your favorite yet? We're going to Sand Harbor Beach. I did a little Instagram questions and a lot of people suggested going to Sand Harbor, so I'm going to be checking that out with the family. Hopefully we can see some cute scenic spots to just pull over and take some cute pictures. We stopped by CVS and we got a whole bunch of snacks and water for this trip, so we're packed and ready to go.
Look up from your telescope, take me on this journey home. I don't wanna wait no more. Lay me down behind the moon, tell me you'll be on real soon. I don't wanna wait no more.
Look at it.
Whoa, it feels just like the snow
We
film.
could be dancing in the stars, we could be floating on away. As long as I'm safely in your arms, and it don't really matter where we stay. Cause space makes me sad. Cause
Hello! That was cold. Did we have fun or did we have fun though?
We did. I ate snow.
You ate snow?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, I did. I picked it up and I...
dirty snow, honey.
It was clean. It was not yellow.
feeling like Pluto. You already knew though. I'm hiding just behind the stars, but how come the stars don't shine when it's day? How come the sky at night makes me this way? Why you so far away?
Hello! We're going on a trip.
We're going on a cruise.
We made another pit stop.
It was only
not
a few feet
not
away.
a pit stop. We made another stop at a scenic route.
Oh, this guy's
Oh,
going
oh,
too,
be
Daddy.
careful,
Watch
Wolf.
out. This guy's going too.
Yeah. All right, we're rolling. We are nowhere near Sand Harbor. We still got what, maybe we got 20 minutes till we get there. So we only made it 10 minutes into our trip.
Classic Chew family.
Well, we're on our way. See you guys there soon. Nearly there. Looks like it's snowing, but it's just from the trees. Okay. Let's roll. Wow. We are at South Harbour Beach. People are swimming in the water and it's freezing. Look at this view, you guys. It's so beautiful. We're standing on the beach side. The water is so clear. I wish we could swim in it, but unfortunately it's still snowing and it's cold. So we're not going to be getting in the water, but you can at least enjoy the beautiful, clear ocean. We're taking some photos. Kim is here. She looks super cute. Who do we think we are? Who do we think we are? I don't know any climbers. That's how uneducated I am.
So out of her element.
What about he's just standing right here? Just right there.
You're so funny.
You say, pace yourself, slow it down. And I don't want to waste my days with no one else.
We were in traffic for a few hours, but now we're finally out and we're on our way to 999 Pho. It set us back about an hour, but we're gonna get some good food. Back in right away. Making us getting a good picture. It just shut! Oh my gosh!
It's over.
Got my ski poles. We're finally gonna be going. Oh no! Wait a second, this makes me scared.
Bye, Daddy.
Our skis are out there. I'm so nervous. Hello!
We're here.
I'm on a gondola.
Waking up feeling like it's gonna rain. It's sunny out, but it just comes in waves. When you ask me if
We look
I'm
so
okay,
weird.
I don't ever love
Yay! We're skiing out in the green.
Thought the other side was always green. There isn't any color.
How do you feel?
I feel tired. I'm so
Ready for a break
ready for a pizza.
and a real pizza. Now we're gonna go for a break and lunch. Yay!
Something I do not know. Maybe just hold me, just hold me. I'm coming back slowly.
We brought 6 cuties.
None of them smashed.
And none of them are smashed. She did not fall once. I fell 3 times and she didn't fall once. And you saved our lunch. Yes, this is our lunch. We're eating this right now until we get enough strength to go in there and get the real food. Right now, resting. You can hardly feel our bodies. We survived.
We made it. Cheers.
You got the goods. Kenyan's a lifesaver.
Hopefully it's good.
4 tenders, fries, and 1 burger that me and her are splitting.
And these Gatorades.
And these Gatorades. Total, guess how much? $57. $57. That's actually wild. We knew it was ludicrous, but like, I didn't realize it would be that expensive. I knew it would be expensive, but not that expensive. Oh my gosh. Oh, my Gatorade like exploded. Oh my. Oh my. Oh! There's no way you're gonna close that now.
I know. You have to rely on your bottle. We paid so much money for that.
Way too much money not to be able to drink it when you need it. Come on now. Don't do this to us.
Like, am I crazy?
She has so much more energy than me. It's going up for another round. I give up. I cried twice on the green. Oh, she's waving. That's Kim-Yeon. There she is. There she is. I fell way too many times, so I had to take a breather, take a break. Kim just got back from the green. Nice. You went down pretty quickly.
You say, pace yourself, slow it down.
Oh my gosh. Thank you, Daddy. Love you.
I was like, I want Gatorade anyway. And then when she told me the total, I was like,
We got good food with us. Just picked up some stuff from Thai restaurant. And then I got pad see ew. Ooh.
Happy days.
Daddy brought some Jack in the Box for us. Thank you, Daddy. Oh my gosh, this looks so good. Tonight in Daddy Adventures. So warm in here. Cute. Another day of us eating takeout food inside our hotel. And I'm not mad at it. I kind of love it.
We know what we're getting when we get fast food.
Yeah. We know if it's good.
I paid like
Kim and my mom decided to stay back at the hotel, and me and my dad are gonna go to Emerald Bay State Park to explore for a little bit. Have our coffees. And we're ready to go. Is it good?
Yeah, pretty good.
She was living in summer, flowers in her hair. No one ever loved her. I love to be there. Whoa. These days, it's not.